So like that's it. Like then with all these things, you have a website now.
Yeah.
And the only thing now you want to do is test.
Yeah, exactly.
Maybe your first domain will not work.
Yeah.
Maybe the second does not work. But I am pretty sure that how it works for us. You launch 10 domains
Yeah.
with the same strategy that we just discussed.
Yeah.
There is nothing different, and I am sure at least 2 will work.
Yeah. Oh, test 10 domains with 10 different strategy. You know?
Yeah.
Anyway, you just have to
Even if
test
you
so
do
much,
same,
man.
like
Yeah.
just saying, even if
Yeah.
you do same, something will.
Yeah. There
Something
is so much
will happen.
randomness in the algorithm. Yeah, for sure. And the thing is that the best SEO that I know, they don't know what works or not. You know?
Exactly.
They just do everything at
It
once
is
at scale.
whatever works SEO.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you do like GSA, you do viral boost, you do H domain, you put everything on the same domain, you try, you switch, etc. And you just check what works or not, you know, and
Yeah.
at the end you just get results. That's all.
Okay, so that is about like getting traffic, maybe in with a website. What are the other ways affiliates can get traffic other than having your own website?
Yeah, the easiest one is Parasite. So
Okay.
typically, what is Parasite SEO? You go to big media, generally. The easiest one is the one that are already selling backlinks, because if they're already dealing with SEO,
Globe Newswire, Access Newswire.
yeah, you know them all. Huh?
Yeah.
You Parasite them already.
Yeah.
Yeah, so typically
And
you-
pretty cheap.
Yeah, you go to check that, and you publish big piece of content. So like,
Yeah.
5K was about
lot
whatever
of
you want
links,
to rank
yeah.
on.
Yeah.
Then you just like push this URL specifically in the same way that you will push your website. So you spam it a little bit, backlinks, GSA, viral boost, and then you skyrocket in rankings. And the good part is like you are not really scared of burning out this domain because it's not yours.
Your
You
domain,
just,
yeah.
So you just paid for 300, 500 bucks, 1,000 euros, something like that to get into it. And generally, what happens is that you put affiliate links on your listicle at the top of that. People will click on it.
Direct
make money.
conversions and boom, works.
Yeah, exactly. Conversion is still lower.
Yeah,
in Parasites.
fully agree. But still, it's the least risk and most rewarding, I believe.
Yeah.
And the results are quick, so
Yeah.
you can always like think and replicate what works.
It's like Parasite, you can, do something that works, that brings you money in less than 3 days.
Yeah,
Which is like quite complex, if you
Yeah.
have your own domains and
Yeah.
everything. And